magandang nababaw kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Apung Bibangs Tsokolate Batirol for sending us their products. So just a disclaimer guys, although meron po tayong mga native delicacies dito such as this suman, mga kalamay, and champurado, pinaka-product po talaga ni Apung Bibang is the chocolate Batirol. So according to our orientation earlier sa owner, actually I met Miss Riza Umblas. According to them, it's actually a tradition that is passed on from generation to generation. Whenever her grandma prepares the chocolate Batirol, they would really enjoy it. And now whenever they prepare a chocolate Batirol, they make it in memory of their grandmother. What a great story, no? For sure, yung mga ganitong products are really treasured because yung mga, the memory, yung experience nila is being passed on from generations to generations. So actually, Batirol is a native drink made from pure cacao and peanut. You can either have it iced cold chocolate Batirol or you want it mainit with milk or creamer, and then meron na sugar. Let's stir it. Let's taste it. Oh, wow! On a hot day, you can have your iced chocolate Batirol. So probably some of you are a little bit hesitant pag sinabi natin chocolate Batirol. Medyo matrabaho kasing iniinom yan eh. Medyo matrabaho siyang piniprepare para inumin. So actually, for those who are on the go, medyo nagmamadali, you can actually use a blender, no? You put everything. Depende sa preference mo. If you want it a little bit bitter, dagdagan mo lang yung chocolate Batirol mo. Or you want it creamy or milky, dagdagan mo yung milk mo. Put in everything dun sa blender natin. And then, voila! Right after like a minute, your chocolate Batirol is prepared. You can put it in the microwave para uminit. Or dagdag ka na lang ng ice para maging siyang smoothie. Or just like this, iced chocolate Batirol. Actually, they are kind enough to send us nga this merienda, and actually, I wanna taste yung nilang champurado. Wow! Like I said guys, pag ganito yung refreshment mo, when we are talking about chocolate Batirol, we always parang talk about tradition, we talk about memories of our grandparents. Ako naman, yung mga ganitong pagkain like this one, champurado, I always remember my grandma as well. Kasi, isa siya sa mga pinakamasarap na magluto ng mga champurado. Alright, so let's talk about more information about Aling Bibang's Tsokolate Batirol, no? Meron po silang 500 grams bottle that is good for 10 to 15 cups. You don't need to chill. Ang storage niya is just room temperature, so you just, keep it there. Meron po silang weekly delivery and pick up every Saturday sa mga nearby towns. Now, those who are in San Fernando and Angeles City, meron po silang meet up and delivery with a minimum order requirement. Now, if you're watching this video outside Pampanga, they are also sending this, or they cater nationwide via LBC, pickup or COD. Any time of the day, Monday to Friday naman sila. And for those of you naman na who wants to start their own business by reselling or becoming a distributor, make sure to check out their fan page or their Instagram. Message them on those social media platforms and then mention that you are interested to partner with them in your quest to start a small business. So there you have it guys. Again, I'm gonna go downstairs and share this with my family, and we would like to thank Apung Bibangs. So guys, if you like Tsokolate Batirol, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. Let's also go to Apung Bibangs social media network profiles and give them a support by giving them a like or following them on their social media. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Stay safe and stay at home. Peace.